Hey y'all, it's Lacey Griniger with Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty, and welcome to 147 Lakeview Drive. This amazing lake house could be yours just in time for summer. Come check it out. Right when you come through the door, you can see the lake, and that is definitely a wish list item for most of my clients. Come check out this spacious kitchen with plenty of counter and cabinet space that opens right up to the living room and dining room. There is no wasted space in this house. Come this way and we'll check out the bedrooms and bathrooms. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-level home. The master suite is right here at the end of the hall, and it is very spacious. You have views of the lake right here from your room and also access out to a private patio. We have an ensuite bathroom here with a double vanity and tons of windows. You can even have a home office here in your master suite and look out at the lake. Let's go check out this bunk room down the hall. Before we head outside, I want you to notice all of the natural light coming into this space. These floor-to-ceiling windows are amazing. Okay, now the moment you've been waiting for. Check out this backyard and this lake view. I love this crushed slate path that takes you all the way down to the max dock. Now here at the dock, we have double lifts. You can have 2 boats here, or like my clients have, a boat and 2 jet skis. And look how they have it set up. It's the perfect place to hang out with your family and friends. Thank you so much for going on this tour with me today of 147 Lakeview Drive. For more information on this lakefront home, visit lifesgood on lakeoconee.com.